after nyo umikot ng Obo-ob Mangrove, pwede kayong bumili ng buko for 35 pesos. Okay, refreshment lang.
In this video, I will be sharing with you my top 3 recommendations on what you can do in North Cebu, Philippines, particularly in Bantayan Island. In my previous video, I featured the southern part of Cebu, and if you're interested to see that, you may also check that out. Bantayan Island is 145 kilometers away from Cebu City, and to go there, you will have to pass through Agnaya Port and ride a ferry for an hour. Now let's get started with number 1, cliff dive. In Bantayan Island, cliff diving has become a popular sport, and there are a lot of cliff diving sites to try out. The nearest cliff diving spot you can try is just 3.5 kilometers or 12 minutes drive away from Santa Fe Port, and this is the Ruins Cliff Diving Spot. The cliff has clear ocean waters below, perfect for cliff jumping and for adventure seekers like us. Number 2, Obo-ob Mangrove. Obo-ob Mangrove Ecopark is one of the exciting sights to see in Bantayan Island. You can walk through the bamboo-built paths through the mangroves, which makes for a refreshing stroll and dreamy photo opportunities. You will really feel the beauty of nature around these mangroves. There are also mini stores across the entrance that sell souvenirs and a famous local fish called danggit made by the locals themselves. Number 3, Kota Beach. A trip to Bantayan Island is not complete without visiting their prominent beaches. Bantayan Island's Kota Beach, among other beaches, is no doubt famous for its powdery white sand and clear blue waters. Feel the heat of the sun and swim in one of Cebu's finest gems. That's it guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. Show some love and support and subscribe to this channel.